This is the award-winning Lee Pitts Live.
This portion of Lee Pitts Live is brought to you by Hodges University, celebrating 25 years of educating Southwest Florida.
Southwest Florida, welcome to another edition of Lee Pitts Live. We're here at Lee Memorial Health System. The accommodations have been outstanding, and we'll be back here again next week, so continue to join us on Lee Pitts Live, and special shout out to all the people at Lee Memorial Health System, specifically Yamasi Olarentola Coates and Jim Nathan, the CEO, who have invited us to tape Lee Pitts Live in the boardroom here. It's just been fabulous accommodations here at Gulf Coast Hospital. Sometimes I get easy shows to do, and this is an easy show in the sense that it's fun. I get to talk to my good friend James Middlebrook. He's the chairman and publisher of one of America's great newspapers. That's the Community Press. Now, the Community Press newspaper is sweeping Southwest Florida, and everybody is talking about it. It's the talk of the town, and this is one of the current issues here. You can get them all around Fort Myers and Lee County in Southwest Florida now. And James Middlebrook is this is Johnny Street, the councilman who was recently elected for the Fort Myers City Council. So without further ado, we got my good friend James Middlebrook here. Man, let me bump you in. Boom. Now let's do this. Let's do this. You got to get this. Got to get this. Okay. Now, Mr. Middlebrooks, I'm going to hold this up before we get started. What is this? What is this? People don't know this history.
That's the Community Press, the People's Press. Back in 1979, when I left Principal Riverdale High School, and I wanted the Boys and Girls Club, I wanted something then to do for the community. And that's been one of my chief things all the time. That's
history. I think you got a shot of that, John. You good? Okay, now this is 1979. You're publishing again, so I would say that this is something that's a baby of yours that you were excited to bring back to reality. But you brought it back, man, with like on steroids. This thing is pumping, man. Tell us what is the Community Press?
Community Press consists of three of us, actually four. Pablo Williams, Veronica, and we have a young man we call Bodie who does all of our circulation. Without those four entities, we would never be able to do what we're doing. Veronica just helps us all the time with spelling, correct pronunciation.
Veronica Barber,
yes,
managing editor.
Yes, and Pablo does a wonderful job, an excellent job of putting these things together in its right perspective.
Director of Art and Website.
Yes, it is, right.
Pablo Williams.
And Bodie, he's the one who circulates this thing all over Lee County and even down in Collier County.
That's one of the things I couldn't wait to get to. You're not just in Lee County. You're moving out through all of Southwest Florida. You got a Collier County section in there. I think you call it Naples
Connection. Yes.
Tell us about the Naples Connection.
Naples Connection is an entity that we enjoy doing all the time. It has many Baptist church, AME churches, Episcopalian churches, and we have targeted that group for we can do things for the Collier County. The Deltas are down there, and they have a new group down in Collier County, so we target that group. The Hodges University is there, and so with Gail Williams, we target that group. Whatever happened in Collier County, we wanted to let people know about it.
And I want to let everybody know that phone number and that website that you see appearing on the screen throughout the show, for any of your interests and needs in the Community Press, just get in touch with them at that information for advertising purposes, to get a copy of the paper mailed to you, to get the paper to do feature stories in your community. It's all right there, self-contained, so I'm so excited about that. I want to thank you for actually making me famous, man.
Oh, don't even try.
Hey, man, you made me famous, man. I appeared in your paper a couple of times, man. Thanks, man.
It's been 4 times at least, and we're ready for the next issue that's coming out and the following issue to have you right there.
Hey, let's bump on that. Let's let everybody know that you and I and Veronica and Pablo, we're just like, we're family, right?
Exactly.
Okay, thanks for making me famous. One of the things I admire about the paper is you know your niche. You're right there in the niche. The pictures are like quality pictures. You very seldom, everything has a typo every now and then. I'm not saying I've seen a typo there, but I'm saying you very seldom ever see any kind of typos or anything like that. There's a lot of painstaking details that goes into putting out quality like that. I know that from experience here with this television show. Tell us about the detail that the pride that you guys have in the community press.
Well, again, for the sake of repeating the four of us, I couldn't do this by myself. When I had the old paper, I had a weekly paper. I had to do the typesetting, the layout. We couldn't put it in color, so we had to do all that on a weekly basis, and it was just one. I also used to deliver the paper and also stand on the corner to give papers out. This time we have a selection in there where it can be, we have over 60 different places you can pick these up. We even have Wawa down south and on Colonia. They can pick up papers there. And if we need to add more issues in any places, we'll be happy to place them.
Right, because those papers will go fast. I know I go up and down the street looking for paper. Those people, everybody is looking forward to their community press. It's been needed in the community. When I first saw it, I'm like, wow, because I don't know if you remember this, when Hodges University named the student union building, the Lee Pitts Student Union, I came to an event in the community. On my way in, there you were sitting at the door. You said, Lee, bam. And as soon as I sat down in the church, the program was going on, I was like, oh man, this is nice, this is nice. And it was just so cool. What has been the response from the community in general to the community press?
Overwhelming. We just, every time people call us and say, where can I get an issue? We just put out 100 right there. Where can I get another issue? We just put out 100 there. Well, we've gone up to 28 pages this time, and we are, in another next issue, we're going to be honoring the veterans. So you have to get there with us.
That would be your December, no, that would be your
November's issue.
You
yes.
just honored the veterans in the November issue. And in your tell us, how did you honor the veterans?
Well, we asked every veterans, we put it in the October issue, and asked them to send us a picture and what branch of service you service. So that's how we get in this. We have 2 pages of them already.
Amazing.
Yes.
And now we're going to be, now that we're close to the end of Thanksgiving is behind us and we're rolling into December, what can we expect December and in the new year? It just happens as it happens?
No, it doesn't. We plan. We have meetings every 2 weeks to see what's happening in the county, what we'd like to see happen in the county. And we make sure that we're trying to keep it current with everything that's going on. We enjoy people. I go on Facebook. So you'll be surprised what's on Facebook. You are on Facebook.
Facebook is important.
Yes, it is. So I go into issues that are. We had something at St. John several weeks ago. I found it on Facebook. So we'll call those people and say, listen, what are you having at your place?
Right.
And so we try to get everybody involved in Lee County and Collier County so they can see. People love to see their picture.
Now, you know, Lee Pitts Live goes into 7 counties, about 750,000 households. Now, when you say Collier County, those people in Charlotte County are saying, hey, when's it going to come my way? What you got to say to them?
We're ready for them.
Okay.
They have to be sustained, though. We can't just go in and say we give the papers out because it costs us money, too. But we'll be happy to come to you.
Okay.
We're ready for that.
Talk about those beautiful, if people want to get the word out, and I'll just hold it up. I mean, the advertisement is just second to none. People want to get the word out, John. I'm going to plug Lee Pitts Live right here and down here at the bottom. Right here, that's right. I'm in the marketing business, people. We see where you plug the NAACP banquet. And Tashika Perry actually made it into the paper. And Peter Denui, the comedian Joe Mobley, Cheryl Williamson. People get in the paper. So you have some great ads, full-page ads. It's Hodges University. Full-page ads. So the community press is the place to be. Talk about how soon people need to get with you if they have an ad or event coming up to get that advertised.
We ask people to give us the last Friday of each month for the next issue. We have a problem with that sometimes. People want to think we're a daily issue, and we're not. So give us the last Friday of each month, and it's for the next month. So we try to stick to that, because if we say we're going to be out on the first Thursday, we want to be out. If you get the information to us by the last Friday of each month, you'll be ready for the next month.
And we also want to let people know it's absolutely free.
It's absolutely
a
free
great
for the
paper
paper.
like this is free for the paper,
For
not
the
for
paper.
advertising.
No, not for advertisement at all. For the paper.
Now, advertising is what keeps our paper moving, so that's why we're encouraging people to advertise in the paper and talk about stories. How does one get a story in the paper? We see Pablo everywhere taking pictures and writing, but can they just call, or if they think
On the
something
second
interesting?
page of each issue is the name of the four of us. They can call, email, fax, any way, come by the house, come by, tell Pablo, they just call. I had a young lady this morning, 7:30, they having a fair this coming Saturday, to give us some pictures. So we have invested in a nice camera for we can go to spur of the moment and take pictures and have your article in the next issue.
Now, one of the things that I think gives the paper a lot of credibility is, first of all, we know that a renowned educator like yourself, who's a pillar in the community and has happened to be a member of Omega Psi Phi fraternity. Go ahead and plug the Qs.
We all right with that. Now listen,
Psi Beta Sigma, folk.
we plugging all. We plug the National Panhellenic Council, which represents all the fraternities and sororities in Lee County and Collier County. We are brothers and sisters, all doing the same thing. So we should act like brothers and sisters. So when one of us in something, the rest of us help with it.
There you go. The fact that your name is associated with it, Pablo Williams, who's a legend, Veronica Barber, they're legends, and what's the guy name who delivers the paper? Want to get his name on TV?
Bodie.
Bodie, we making you famous, man. It just seems like a family atmosphere. And I love the fact that you feature the churches throughout the paper.
All the time. And we'd like to get more churches and the activities that is going on at their church. And we'd be happy to do that. And not only that, we publicize it prior to it, and the next month we come and let people know what happened.
That's why it's very important that people get with you in advance of their event so
Exactly.
you can get on top of it. Well, Mr. Middlebrooks, it's been a pleasure having you on the show. I got to make some time out for Girl Talking to Sheikah Perry
I hear you.
and
That's
her wonderful
fine.
guest, Ebony Sims. Keep up the good work, man. Boom.
Thank you,
As
sir.
the saying goes on this particular show, for those who say it can't be done, they are usually interrupted by those like the fine people who are associated with the Community Press newspaper. This is the paper that I read to prepare for all these Lee Pitts live shows.
And
who
we
are doing
thank you
it.
for that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll be right back with Sheikah Perry and Girl Talk.